I admired you with a quiet awe, like watching the first star appear, never expecting it to fall straight into my chest. But then came the night when our world shattered, sharp as broken glass, cutting through everything we once held gently. I hate you, try to bury your name under every shadow I could find, but it only echoed louder in the empty parts of me. There were nights I cried into my own silence, wondering why love must taste so much like loss before it learns to breathe again. I walk through days feeling like a ghost, carrying the shape of you inside my ribs, a shape I couldn't break, couldn't forget. I loved you even when it hurt, even when the dark felt deeper than anything I could cross, and somehow the love kept its small flame alive. Then one morning, quiet, fragile, I felt the world soften, the ache loosened, like a hand finally unclenching, and in that gentle space I found the truth. I never stopped wanting you to come back to me.